My brothers and sisters, as you all are familiar with the situation in Gaza right now, where they are at the brink of starvation and they need to be fed, they also require medical aid. They have been bombed, maimed, injured, killed, and the devastation that we see on the screens on a daily basis is something that we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to remove from them. At this very moment, they are in need of medical supplies, medical equipment, and medical aid, which is why it is our responsibility to ensure that happens. And alhamdulillah, we're asking all of you to donate towards healing Gaza and provide them with the medical support that they need. Please donate generously, keep it in your heart, and just like they need to be fed, they also need to be healed. Allah is the best of healers, but we have to provide the means, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.